Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in or sign in to your CoinEx account. If you are looking to make this process easy and fast, then you are in the right place. Make sure to follow along till the end of the video. First of all, launch open the CoinEx application on your mobile device, or you can also visit coinex.com on a web browser. Either way, go ahead and look for the login/sign up button and tap on it. You will then end up in the login interface. To log into existing account, you will need to enter either your mobile phone number or email in the first tab. Type down your mobile number or email address, followed by your account's password in the password box. After typing down your password and email or phone number, tap on the login button. You may need to complete this puzzle piece. Simply go ahead and do that, and within a few minutes, you will find yourself in the home page of your CoinEx account. That's how you easily log into CoinEx. All you need is your login credentials and you will be good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below how it worked for you. You can also leave any questions if you want. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.